Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with MailerLite, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your MailerLite dashboard. Click on the Create Campaign button. Choose the type of campaign you want to create. Select Regular Campaign for a standard email. Enter a name for your campaign. Click Next to continue. Select your email list for the campaign. You can filter or segment your audience if needed. Click Next once you've chosen your audience. Now, design your email by selecting a template. You can choose between pre-designed templates or start from scratch. Drag and drop elements to customize your email layout. Add your content, including images and text. Make sure to include a clear call to action. Once you're satisfied with your design, click Next. Preview your email to ensure everything looks good. Send a test email to yourself for final checks. After reviewing, click Confirm to finalize your campaign settings. Schedule your campaign or choose to send it immediately. Monitor the performance of your campaign after you send it. Review the analytics to see open rates and engagement. Adjust your strategies based on the data for future campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.